Back. So now that we have our implementation class ready, let's start moving code from the printer CS and into our beautiful new customer service. And let's just start from the top right here. We're just going to start out by moving the update customer right here. Now the way we're going to do it right now is fairly simple. We're just going to go in here and we're going to get a customer from the outside. And that customer, he of course has all the information. He has an ID available. He has a first name, a last name, and a new address, right? So that's kind of what we need to update right here. And then in the end, we're just going to return that customer. So that was the update function. Now, we'll come back and manipulate this a bit later because when we start working with unit of work, this is going to change a bit. Sweet, let's keep it like this for now. Jump back to the printer and scrolling down, how are we going to find a customer by ID? Well, jumping back to the customer service where you see, there it is, find by ID. There's actually no change except that instead of using the customer repository, it's named customer repo in here like this. So that's the only difference. There we go. Now we've done that. Sweet. What else do we have? Jumping back, we have get all customers. I'm going to keep that here for now. We're going to get back to that next lesson because I want to do something specific with that guy. The delete function, what do we need for that one? Well, jumping back to our customer service right here, it seems if we scroll down for delete, it seems that we just need to call the customer repo right here, customer repo, and call the delete with the ID. And then what do we get back? Well, we get a customer back, so we can just say return. There we go. And that's all we had to do. Now that one is also complete. And let's look what else we have. Get all customers. We have the create and a new customer right here. Let's also implement those. The create one seems to be easy. I just copy all of this and I'm done. So it's exactly the same thing right here with the new customer as it was with the old create one. Ajumi, there we go. And the last one is the save down here, which is going to do exactly the same thing as well. So that was all we had to do. Now we actually have the implementation, and of course this needs to be customer repo because we have the private variable right here. And to be honest, I should have used customer repo as well inside my printer CS file, but it didn't matter because I knew I was going to move it anyway, so don't worry about that. Sweet, that was all I had to do. Now I'll get back to this one in the next lesson, but now we pretty much moved all our different code over into our new customer service, and we have now dependency injected this information and we can start creating customers with an application service. Except for this guy, see you in the next lesson where he will be the focus. Have fun.